I've been receiving a lot of questions and emails about the rioting that's going on in Philadelphia and around it. It seems like New Jersey has not been affected by it. There was supposed to be some type of protest today in Moorestown on Main Street, which is where our new office is. And to be very honest, I didn't see anything at all. So it looks like Moorestown, like Camden, New Jersey, there was no protest. I think in Camden there was something peaceful, but that was about it. In Moorestown, I didn't see anything remotely resembling a protest. With that said, obviously, people have a right to protest, and I'm not discouraging people from protesting this incident. What I am discouraging is it seems like some of my colleagues are in some ways kind of endorsing or stating that people are going to protest. The only way to get your message across is to cause disruption. And again, I'm not singling out anybody, but it just seems like the words that are being used are in some ways not really explaining possibly what could happen if you do decide to engage in what amounts to be a riot, especially now that National Guard have been called in. Police are obviously on the ground already, and National Guard are trying to take control of the situation with police together. A riot in Pennsylvania or New Jersey is a felony offense, which means if you're convicted of it, there's almost a presumption in Pennsylvania and New Jersey that you could go to either county jail or state prison. There's not a mandatory minimum, but a felony charge, whenever you're dealing with that, depending on who the judge is, you have to really be careful. So I would tell you that a riot in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, they're pretty much defined the same way. It's any instance where you're engaging with one or more persons to facilitate either the prevention of law enforcement from restoring order, or you're doing something to commit a crime, a felony or misdemeanor crime during the course of this mass gathering, usually with, as the law defines it, 2 or more persons. And it's a felony of the 3rd degree in Pennsylvania. New Jersey defines it similar as a crime of the 3rd degree. Remember, New Jersey, unlike Pennsylvania, doesn't categorize in their crimes code felony and misdemeanor. They grade them as indictable versus non-indictable offenses. So it's an indictable offense in New Jersey. It's a felony offense in Pennsylvania. It is serious. In addition to the rioting charge, you can also be charged with things like burglary, robbery, criminal trespass, failure to disperse. Burglary, robbery, trespassing are all felony charges in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. There is a misdemeanor and even a summary charge within the trespassing arena, but in a situation where you're entering a property either by force or subterfuge, it is a felony charge. In addition, the failure to disperse is a misdemeanor charge. Burglary, definition of burglary is breaking into an occupied or unoccupied structure and committing a crime within, usually a theft of some sort of taking. Robbery is a taking by force. Again, the gradation of all these charges is dependent on the circumstances. For instance, burglary, if it's an occupied structure, if what the law defines as adapted for overnight use, for instance, a residence or apartment, it becomes more serious. Robbery, like burglary, it depends on the circumstances. The gradation of it has to do with the level of force used to commit that offense. So just be aware of that. I'm not discouraging people from engaging in a lawful protest. You have every right to do it, but please don't engage in a riot thinking that you have this exception to the law because of COVID or something that a lawyer or a wannabe lawyer told you on the internet, or a lawyer who seems like they want to be a politician and not an attorney or a counselor at law. So again, be careful. As an attorney, I'm never going to encourage anyone to break the law. If you are charged with a crime or offense, please give our office a call. I am more than happy to speak to you about it. In Pennsylvania, 215-755-9000 is the 24-hour number. In New Jersey, 856-793-9000. 7429. Both numbers are 24-hour numbers. We are here to answer your questions. I hope everyone is staying safe during this difficult time with the COVID and the protest. And again, with all this going on, we're hoping that we all can just get through this with the least amount of harm committed to anybody. It is my hope to see you all hopefully in person. We were supposed to be in court today again in Philadelphia remotely, but that is again delayed. It looks like we are beginning to come out of this. I did receive a trial notice for a jury trial in Chester County. We're going to follow up on that to see if that's going to go, but things are happening. Our law firm really hasn't shut down. We've been very, very busy opening a new office, continuing on our active cases, opening up new cases, seeing clients 24 hours a day remotely, representing clients at various hearings, detention hearings, bail hearings throughout Pennsylvania and New Jersey. We're very excited about the second half of 2020, which kicks off this week. It's been a very good year for us, and we're looking forward to very good things in 2020 and beyond. I wish you all well, and I'll talk to you all soon. Have a great day.